guys, it's Kelly from the Wellness Way in Fort Mill coming to you here from our local Earth Fair. I wanted to bring you along on a shopping trip with me looking for some sugar alternatives. This is the time of year where we are bringing out the desserts and treats for the holidays, so I wanted to show you some alternative sweeteners that you can use in your favorite recipes this year so that you can keep your immune system stronger, because cane sugar does toxify the body. It brings down your immune system, it weakens it, and makes you more susceptible to all those colds and flus going around. So we want to do things that are good for our bodies right now. We want to enjoy those treats, but we want to do it smartly, okay? We want to be really wise about it. So I want to show you some things here. They have a really good selection. We got the sweet leaf stevia here for our coffees and teas. We have Swerve, which is an erythritol, which is a non-GMO natural sweetener. There's the confectioners for those who need, the recipes that call for confectionery sugar, the granular. We want to stay away from things like this, even though they say organic. It's still cane sugar, still very bad for the body, really bad on the immune system. We have some organic coconut sugar. That's a good option for you. And let's see, over here also we have some raw honey. That's a great thing to use in some recipes as well. And we also want to use organic syrup for our nice gluten-free pancakes and waffles and things. So we want to stay with 100% maple syrup. And then down here we have some agave, which comes from the agave plant. You can also use the darker kind on your good healthy pancakes and waffles. The lighter ones you can use in other recipes. And also here's a coconut nectar, which is low glycemic, that you can use in recipes for those liquid things. And one more thing to note, molasses, you can mix that with the natural sweeteners to make brown sugar for those recipes that call for brown sugar. So there's a lot of great options for us now. We don't have to use that sugar that is really bad for the immune system. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys. And just if you want to learn more, go to our website, fortmillwellnessway.com, and contact us through that and find out more. Take care.